Everyone, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to watch PPV on Firestick or pay-per-view on Firestick. So in order to watch pay-per-view, you just have to follow the steps. So first of all, let me list out the apps and services officially available in the United States and other countries, and then I will discuss about a couple of options for UK audience to stream PPV on Firesticks. In the United States and beyond, it allows users to purchase and watch PPV events like UFC fights. This services is available to eligible users including EPNS and Adson and Disney bundle subscriptions. Now next, Disney-owned ESPN also houses some of the PPV event throughout the year. If the upcoming Much Talk fight is streaming on ESPN, it might land under the PPV practice. Apart from it, you could also go ahead and use a Triller TV. Now, events like AEW, PPVs often air on Triller TV. Now, it is also an ideal option for those living in Canada and the UK. Triller's TVs usually have big fights outside the United region. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.